Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I'm usually looking for simple and easy recipes, especially when I'm very busy and I'm running short on time and energy to cook. Today I'm going to share one such simple recipe with you guys. This is green chutney pulao. This is very tasty with just minimal ingredients. Sounds very interesting, isn't it? So let's get started and check it out. So I've taken about 300 grams of basmati rice, that's about 1.5 cups. Wash it a few times and soak it for about 30 minutes. Next, I'm going to grind this green chutney paste. To the mixer jar, add a piece of ginger that's been chopped, about 5 large cloves of garlic cut up, about 6 shallots chopped. Next, add about 5 green chillies chopped, 1 tablespoon of freshly grated coconut. Next, add a nice handful of fresh coriander leaves. Next, add a handful of fresh mint leaves. Make sure it's roughly about a cup at least. Just add a little water and grind it to a nice fine paste. Transfer the green chutney paste into a bowl and keep it aside. To the pressure cooker, add about 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Next, add all the whole spices. I have cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, star anise, a piece of stone flower, a piece of mace, and 2 bay leaves. Next, add the onions. So I'm adding about 2 large onions sliced and 2 green chilli slit. Saute the onions till they're a nice golden color. Next, add 2 small tomatoes chopped. Saute it for about 2 minutes and then add the green chutney paste and mix everything well. Now add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. Now add the soaked rice and just gently mix it. Just take care to see that you don't break the rice. So once you've mixed the rice along with the masala, I'm going to add 2 cups of diluted coconut milk. Now if you don't have coconut milk, you can also do this without the milk and just add water instead. Close the cooker and pressure cook for 1 whistle on medium-high flame. Wow, the pulao looks absolutely amazing. You can see the color is just beautiful. It's got this lovely chutney green color. The rice is cooked to perfection. I'm just roasting a few cashew nuts to garnish the pulao. You can serve this green chutney pulao nice and hot with any side dish of your choice and some raita by the side. This is a really simple and easy pulao recipe that you can make in minutes, especially when you're low on vegetables and you have nothing at home. This is something that you can whip up really fast. So if you'd like to see more delicious and simple pulao recipes, if you have any suggestions, post your comments in the comment section and let me know about it. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. Doesn't that pulao look absolutely delicious? Now we all associate with this green chutney in one way or the other. So when you don't have any vegetables at home and you want to make something interesting and tasty, this is the go-to pulao. And you can just enjoy it as is or with some nice simple onion raita by the side. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.